Good morning, everybody. This is Joe with Warnco Construction. Thanks for watching. I wanted to show you two examples of sidewalk repair. We basically will take it out and report, but these were two examples that you need to take a look at and do some comparison and keep these thoughts in mind as far as tripping hazards are concerned. Now, you may or may not have seen this. This was an example I had over in Champaign, where they've taken just some asphalt and tried to get the level of these two pieces of sidewalk from being a tripping hazard. Here's a little bit bigger area where they've kind of wedged it in here. This is not a good look, and it's also not going to last very long. So keep that in mind. Now I want to show you, besides taking it out and repouring, here's the way to do it. My wife and I were over to Garfield Park over in Indianapolis. It's really a great, I'm going to be doing a separate video on that here shortly. It's a great little place, and I saw this on the sidewalk. This is a better way to take care of this, and what they've essentially done is grind this down for one level to meet the other. You're a little more of a close-up, but you can see where they've taken, it takes some time, some noise, some dust, and it doesn't, it's a harder way to do it, but sometimes long-term, that's the easiest way to do it. So when you're looking at sidewalk repairs, there's a couple. One I wouldn't do, two I would do, and then the other one is, what Warnco does is we'll essentially come in, break it up, and report. So appreciate you viewing my video. Hope to see you down the road, and if I can help you with concrete or paving problems or repairs, give me a call. You'll see the contact info in the description. Again, thanks for watching.